This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I listed drawing from the top plane. In the top plane, I will draw this rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 160 by 96 unit. Then I will extrude both it to 92 unit. After that, we can see we have another triangular rectangular cut, and for this rectangular cut, first of all I will draw a center line, and this center line has a dimension of 96 minus 18 minus 6 unit. Okay, then I will draw two offset line, one is here and another is here, and the offset line, this dimension is 160 by 2 minus 16 unit. Then I will close the shape, then I will cut through all. Okay, then we can see we have another cut here, and for drawing this cut, first of all I will draw a center line of 20 unit, and from the center line I will draw two offset line of 30 unit. Okay, then I will close the shape. After that I will draw a semicircle by arc by using the arc tool. After that close the shape, then I will cut this portion. Okay, if we then look about, we can see we have two circular cut, one is here and another is here, and these two circular cut has a radius of 20 unit each. So I'll draw two circle of a 20 radius, then I'll cut through all. Okay, let's go back to our sketch and do this. So first of all, I am selecting the top plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the center rectangle from here and place a center rectangle here, and this center rectangle has a dimension of 96 by 160 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 92 unit. So extrude bossing it to 92 unit. After that, select this front face, now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select a center line from here and draw a center line, and this center line has a dimension of 92 minus 18 unit minus 6 unit. Now press OK. After that, select the offset entities and select this line. The offset line will be 160 divided by 2, okay, minus 16 unit. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to through all. Select this arrow and extend it. Now press OK. Then again select this right face, now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the center line again and draw a center line from here to here, and this center line has a dimension of 20 unit. Okay, now select the offset entities, and the offset will be 30 units, which is equal to the radius. Now select this line, make sure to click bidirectional capping and line. Now press OK. After that, select the arc tool from here, center point arc tool, and point and place your cursor here. Now click, now draw the semicircle. Okay, semicircle has been drawn. Now we need to trim this two line. So select the trim entities. Okay, now trim this two line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to through all. So select this contour, now extrude cut it. Now press OK. So what this portion also has been done. Now again select this front face, now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the circle tool from here and draw a circle of 20 radius, so it will be 20 multiplied by 2 40 diameter. Okay, if you draw semicircle, a quarter circle by using arc tool, then the radius will be 20. So as I am drawing the full circle, so I am drawing with the diameter. Okay, now select this circle, select this point and draw a circle of 40 diameter. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to through all. Now press OK. So this portion also has been done. Now let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch, we can see we have another rectangular cut, and for drawing this rectangular cut, first of all I'll take the center line, and this center line has a dimension of 6 unit. Okay, and from this center line we can see the total dimension is 38 unit, so the half dimension will be 38 divided by 2. So I'll draw two offset line of 38 divided by 2, then I'll close the shape. After that I will extrude cut it to through all. Then we can see from in the top face I will draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 70 by 58 unit. If we watch out this line, you can see this circle center is matching this line, so it will be 58 unit along this side. Okay, after drawing this center center point rectangle, I will extrude cut it to 12 unit. Then we can see we have another extrude cut in here. This portion, this extrude cut circle has a dimension of 30 diameter, and again we can see we have 4 extrude cut circle here, and they are totally apart from 96 unit by 58 units. So what I will do, first of all I will draw this center circle which is 30 diameter, and from that I will draw a circle, and this circle has a dimension of 12 diameter. Then I will dimension this line to this line is 96 divided by 2. Okay, then I will dimension along this line is 58 divided by 2. Then I will take a center line and I will mirror this sketch. Then I will take another center line and mirror this two other sketch. Then I will extrude cut all the portion. Okay, and at the end we can see we have some fillet here, and the fillet here, the fillet is radius 6, and here and here the fillet is radius 20 unit. So let's go back to our drawing, our model. So I'm selecting this front face. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the center line and press the center line to the midpoint, and this dimension has a dimension of 6 unit, so dimension it to 6 unit. Okay, now select the offset entities, now select this line. As the total dimension is 38 unit, so the half dimension will be 38 divided by 2. Make sure to click by directional cap print and line. Now press OK. After that isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to through all. Now press OK. So this portion is done. Now select this top face, now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the center rectangle and draw a center rectangle of 58 unit by 70 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to 12 units. So I'm extrude cutting it to 12 unit. Now press OK. So our extrude cut portion has been done. Again select this upper face, now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the circle from here and draw a circle of 30 diameter. Okay, then we have 4 circles, so I'm drawing first one circle, then I'll mirror other circle. So I'm drawing one circle, and this circle has a dimension of 12 diameter. Okay, now select this one dimension tool, and from this center point to this circle it has a distance of 96 divided by 2, so the dimension will be 96 divided by 2. Okay, again select this circle and this circle, and this two has a vertical distance of 58 divided by 2. Now press OK. Now we will mirror this. For that I need some center line. So first of all I'm drawing a center line here. Okay, I have drawn a center line. Now select the mirror entities, and here is entities to be mirrored. I want to mirror this one and mirror about this center line. Now press OK. Now again select a center line from here and drawing a center line along this horizontal plane, horizontal. Now select the mirror entities, and entities to mirror. I want to mirror these two circle along, mirror about this center line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to through all. Okay, you can use the through all from here, or you can just drag this. Okay, through all. Now press OK. So all the cut has been done. Now it's time for fillet. For filleting I am selecting the fillet features from here, and the fillet is 20 unit, and you can hover your mouse or you can see the hidden line. You can see I am getting the hidden line, or you can hover your mouse or you can middle mouse click. Now you can rotate and select the inner line. The both way it select. Let me show you. If it is showing the hidden line, so I have clicked the hidden line. You can see that it also clicked the our desired line. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now again go to fillet, and this time the fillet will be radius of 6 unit. So select the radius of 6 unit and select this line. You can hover your mouse or select or you can rotate, then select. Both work. Okay, you can see that it also clicked here. Now select this line. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.